How to add promo code in TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to have your own promo code that your customers can enter to avail a discount. So over here in our seller center, simply look over here on the left side. You have your different list of features. Navigate to promotions tab, select it, and you will have options over here. For us, we could see two options as you can see. Simply select promotional tools. After that, over here as you can see, scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see the option promo code. Simply click on create, and now over here we can enter the promo code or promo name over here. So let's say promo discount, and then you could put in your claim code. So you could put whatever claim code that you want as you can see. And then you could have your active dates over here. Until when do you want this promo code to be active or can be utilized? You could have it for an hour, for a few minutes, 2 days, 2 months. It depends on your preference. You could have the discount to be a percentage off or an amount off. So if you want a 50% or a 50 peso discount, you could have that as well, or you could have a percentage discount as well. You could have a minimum purchase requirement, whether it's minimum or you could set a value. For example, they have to spend 500 before they could use the discount. And then you could have here applies to specific product or an entire shop. You could also have a maximum discount per order if you want to have that. If you don't want it to be too, uh, if you don't want the discount to be too much, you could have a maximum over here or a limit. And then you have here usage quantity over here. So you could have it to be used only a few times as you can see. And you can also limit to one claim per customer. And after that, you can now simply agree and publish, and now you will be able to have your promo code. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.